If shoppers spent a record amount of money this weekend, does that mean the economy's fine and the stock market is going to boom in 2026? I built an 8-figure net worth by understanding how money works. Let's break this down in plain English. First, the market is not even waiting for Monday. Okay, we already have something called futures. And if you've never heard that word before, basically it's just Wall Street's prediction of where we are going to open next. Think of it like a preview. Right now, those futures are slightly in the green, which means investors are feeling slightly optimistic, but that doesn't automatically mean that a boom is coming. So let's talk about it because I want you to get rich in the stock market too. The part that people get wrong is that record sales don't mean that the economy is healthy. People can spend billions of dollars in a weekend and still be drowning in debt. We have seen a massive increase in things like buy now, pay later, credit card usage, people searching for discounts because inflation has been squeezing them all year. What you need to understand is that is not the same thing as financial confidence. Sales volume is not profit. Companies can sell a ton of product on Black Friday, but if they had to slash prices to get people to buy, their margins collapse, meaning they made less money, and Wall Street cares about profits, not receipts. So even if you saw headlines saying spending hit new highs, analysts are asking different questions. Did people buy because they felt secure or because they were desperate for deals? Are they spending from income or are they financing Christmas on a credit card? That matters way more than the total. Now, here's where the stock market comes in, okay? The market is always looking about 6 to 12 months ahead into the future. What moves stocks is what investors think is going to happen in 2026, not one weekend in November. Right now, the real driver to us seeing an increase in prices on Friday wasn't Black Friday at all. It was the growing expectation that we might be getting a rate cut. And I talked about the importance and significance of this in other videos. So yes, shoppers spent a record amount, and yes, the stock market was up on Friday. However, that doesn't magically mean that the economy is fixed or that your finances will even follow the same path. A green stock market on its own will not fix overspending or living paycheck to paycheck or high fixed expenses. Those are a system issue. You can know the best stocks to buy, the best accounts to use, how to make the most money, but if you don't fix the muck beneath the surface, you will actually just lose money in the stock market, not make it. And if you want to learn more about this stuff, the way that rich people do, so you're not constantly guessing and reacting to headlines, I'm actually hosting a free webinar. I'm detailing the exact steps that I use to go from $40,000 in debt to millionaire at 30. You can find it on my website under freebies.